Turkish Sesame Buns, a delicious pocket for whatever filling you desire. Mix 7 grams of sugar, 5 grams of dry yeast, and 100 milliliters of warm milk. Stir and let the yeast hydrate and activate for 5 to 10 minutes. In a large bowl, add 300 grams of flour, 3 grams of salt, add the hydrated yeast. And 100 milliliters of warm water. I usually use a spoon to mix all the ingredients before beginning to knead the dough. You'll have to knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes, or until smooth. I chose to do it in the bowl, but if it's easier, you can do it on the counter. When you are done, cover the bowl with a tea towel and let it rise in a warm spot for about an hour. Cut the dough in 6 equal parts. Shape them into balls. Then, using a rolling pin, roll the dough into thin, round discs. Don't worry if they are not perfect. I can never get them perfectly round. After rolling all 6 pieces, you'll need 2 plates. Fill the first one with milk. And the second one with sesame seeds. Dip each piece in the milk plate. Make sure to wet both sides. Then transfer to the next plate and cover the whole surface with sesame. Transfer to a cutting board and cut each disc down the middle. After you are done with all the pieces, we need to move to the stove. Fry on medium-high and in enough oil to cover them, and wait for the magic to happen. Wait for the bun to puff up and then flip it on the other side. And there you have it, puffy, tasty, and perfect for your favorite filling, Turkish sesame buns. Bon appetit, and see you next time.